Hello my friends, welcome to Homewood Spirit. This is your Vladimir speaking. Today I would like to show you how to make a wooden candlestick holder. It will be this one. There is absolutely nothing to be afraid of because it's very simple and I will exactly show you step by step how to make it. So let's do the job.
We will need block of wood, ideally basswood, handsaw, tea candle and a fire, sharp pencil, wood carving gouges with a profile 7 and 3, wood carving mallet and knife, fine sandpaper, flaxseed oil with a paintbrush, rag and V-shaped chisel for signature. At the beginning, we mark the hole for tea candle and rough lines for saw cut. We chop the hole with a gouge which has same or similar radius like our marked circle. In this case, we use gouge with the sweep number 7. Knife cuts help us hollow out the wood easier. The hole can be cleared out with gouge number 3 or similar. It doesn't have to be perfect because it won't be seen under the candle. For a good depth of the hole, we repeat this process 2 more times. Then we cut out our small block with a handsaw. We mark the shape of the perimeter and cut it with a number 3 sweep gouge. Cut along the grain to avoid splitting the timber. These 2 lines show us where will be the rounded rim of the holder. We follow the lines and cut the rim all the way around. The transition between the rim and sides should be smoothened with few neat cuts all the way around. We slice off the end grain very gently so it looks neat. We add few final cuts and the job is nearly done. If you feel like, you can place your signature on your new candlestick holder. I usually sign my products somewhere at the bottom, where they are not disturbing the overall look of the product. I like to sand the surface very lightly for smooth, friendly touch with the wood. Painting with flaxseed oil is literally our reward. Just look at the beauty. This oil is also natural and we don't have to inhale any harmful fumes.
I got a little bit carried away and I made 3 of these beautiful candlestick holders. I hope you will get same excited like me and you will make one for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe it and you can also go to homewoodspirit.com where you can find more information. This was your Vladimir, and I will see you later.